In today's video, let me quickly show you the fix on Instagram DM not loading. If you're having issues loading up your Instagram DMs, in today's video, let me show you a couple of fixes. The first thing that you can do is make sure that you restart your application. So what this means, you simply just hop out and clear the Instagram from the recent app and then open it up again. The second thing that you can do if this first step does not work for you is try to clear the cache of your Instagram account. Head over to settings, scroll down and search for apps, and then head over to manage apps. Inside of this setting, you need to scroll down and find the app of Instagram. Once you're inside of this setting, you'll see the quick option called clear data. You can just tap on it and then tap on clear all data. What this will do is log you out of your Instagram account. If you're using an iOS device, you'll need to offload the application from your iPhone storage. By doing these couple of steps, you should be able to fix your Instagram DM not loading. That's pretty much all for today's video. I'm going to see you in the next one.